Welcome to DJH Pressing Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Range Rover Evoque. It's the 2.2 Dynamic in lovely condition. It's just had recently the cam belt done as well, which is important. It's got the black pack on it. It's got high spec, this one has. It's got front park distance control, upgraded 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, side steps, tinted windows to the rear, black contrasting roof with the panoramic roof. Bodywork is absolutely lovely. Rear park distance control, boot areas in lovely condition. So we've even got some nice new mats there. Parcel shelf, electric tailgate. Absolutely gleaming. Black wing mirrors. Full leather interior with white stitch piping. Looks lovely, contrasting with the outside. It's got electric memory seats. It's got Meridian Hi-Fi. Electric seats. All in lovely condition. Full panoramic roof. Cruise control. Just start the car up. It's on 104,345 miles. You can see, sounds lovely. Got 3-stage heated seats on the front. Touch screen nav. 6-speed gearbox. Satellite's just going to come on in a minute. Got Parktronic on it. DAB radio. Bluetooth connectivity. Satellite navigation. Different driving styles: gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, dynamic. Auxiliary USB. Everything else been looked after. At DJH provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.